Okay, the Chapter 5 test review, number 1. The first thing that you want to do is you need to recognize that x to the 0, anything to the 0 power, is 1. Whoops. Let me try that again. So basically 3 times 1 would be 3. So you have 3y to the 4th. Okay, then this cube that's outside these parentheses means you need to raise each one of these to the 3rd power. So 2 to the 3rd power would be 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. X squared to the 3rd power, you multiply these together, so that would be x to the 6th. And then y to the 3rd power would be y cubed. Okay, then you multiply your numbers together, so 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, then you want to multiply, well, there's no other x's except x to the 6th, so that stays x to the 6th. Then when you multiply y to the 4th times y cubed, you add the exponent, so it'll be y to the 7th, which would be a. 24 x to the 6th, y to the 7th. Okay, number 2, you're going to subtract exponents. First of all, we could rewrite it as 2/8 times x squared over x to the 6th times y to the 5th over y times z to the 4th over z cubed. Okay, so 2/8 would simplify to 1/4. Okay, then x squared over x to the 6th. Since the highest exponent's on the bottom, subtract from the bottom up. 6 minus 2 is 4, so that would be on the bottom. Okay, then y to the 5th over y to the 1st, subtract your exponents. That would have an exponent of 1. 5 minus 1 is 4, so that would be y to the 4th in the numerator. And then z to the 4th over z cubed. 4 minus 3 is 1, so that would be z to the 1st power, or just z. So y to the 4th, z over 4x to the 4th, which would be h. Okay. Scroll down. Alright, number 3. Maria is simplifying the expression x cubed minus 6x times 2x cubed plus 5x minus 1. Which of the following shows the correct product? So you're going to have to multiply x cubed by each one of these, by 2x cubed, 5x, negative 1. You're going to have to multiply negative 6x times each term over here. So you're just going to be really careful. So x cubed times 2x cubed would be 2x to the 6th. X cubed times 5x would be 5x to the 4th, positive. X cubed times negative 1 would be negative x cubed. Negative 6x times 2x cubed would be negative 12x to the 4th. Negative 6x times 5x would be negative 30x squared. And negative 6x times 1 would be a positive 6x. And then you want to combine like terms. Well, there's only one x to the 6th power, so that has to stay 2x to the 6th. Okay. Then we have a 5x to the 4th and a negative 12x to the 4th. 5 minus 12 would be negative 7x to the 4th. then you have only one x cubed term, so negative x cubed would stay the same. It'll just stay like it is. And then negative 30x squared is the only squared term, and then 6x, which would be A. Okay. Alright, number 4 looks very similar to number 3, except there's a plus right here. So that means we're just going to combine like terms. You don't have to change any signs. So there's only one cubed term, so it stays 7x cubed. Okay. Then you have a negative 2x squared plus x squared, which would be negative 1x squared, or just negative x squared. Okay, then you have a negative x, that's the only term with just an x. And then you have a positive 3 minus 5, which would be negative 2. So 7x cubed minus x squared minus x minus 2 would be J. Okay. Okay, on number 5, we've got 5x minus 4 to the second power. So that's 5x minus 4 times 5x minus 4. So you're going to FOIL that. So 5x times 5x would be 25x squared. Outside would be 5x times negative 4, which is negative 20x. Inside, negative 4 times 5x would be another negative 20x. And then negative 4 times negative 4 would be a positive 16. Then combine your x terms, so you'd have 25x squared minus 40x plus 16, which is C. Alright. Number 6, simplify 6x cubed minus 16x squared plus 11x minus 5 divided by 3x minus 2. Okay, so we're going to need to do synthetic division on this one. Alright, do we have any missing terms? No. We need to set 3x minus 2 equal to 0 to see what we're going to be dividing by. So add 2 to both sides. So 3x equals 2 divided by 3. So x equals 2/3. So now I'm going to go to a blank piece of paper to do this one. So it won't get too confusing. Alright, so do we have any missing coefficients? 3, 2, 1, no. So we're going to be, dividing by 2/3, and then we have coefficient 6, negative 16, 11, negative 5. Okay, so we bring down the 6. 6 times 2/3 would be 12 divided by 3 is 4. You can do that on the calculator if you need to. So we have negative 12. Okay, then negative 12 times 2/3 would be negative 8. Subtract, you get 3. 3 times 2/3 would be 2. So this is your remainder. But then, since we divided by a fraction, we've got to divide each of these by the denominator of 3. And our highest exponent in the original problem was cubed. So this would be x squared and x. So we have 2x squared minus 4x plus 1, and then your remainder minus 3 over, and our divisor was 3x minus 2. Which if we go back, that would be 2x squared minus 4x plus 1 minus 3 over 3x minus 2 would be h. Okay. Okay, number 7, which represents a correct synthetic division of 3x cubed minus 2x plus 5. Well, first thing is we would need to set x minus 2 equal to 0. Add 2 to both sides, so x equals 2. So we'll be dividing by 2. Okay, so that eliminates b and d. Okay, then look and see if you have any missing terms. Yes, we have an x squared that's missing right here, so we would need to put a 0. So that eliminates a. So you can get that one by process of elimination. But in case the one on the test is not like that, let's go ahead and work it out. We'd have to put a 0 right here. So let me go to my piece of paper. Okay, and we would have a 2. And then we would have 3, 0, negative 2, 5. Okay, bring down. 3 times 2 is 6, combine. 6 times 2 is 12, combine. You get 10, 10 times 2 is 20, combine, you get 25. So that would be C. If you go back, that would be C, which is what we got by process of elimination. Okay, I'm going to stop right here, and I will continue with number 8 with another video.